Good afternoon, everybody. Just had some beautiful lunch. I did, however, finish the painting of the battens this morning. So while I finish my coffee, you can look at that. Bom dia, amores. You got all Akira's sand on your face. Oh. My personal protection. Ah, Akira. So yeah, these are still drying. Well, they might be dry by now. I'm not looking in this corner. What a messy building site, Akira. What a messy building site. So yeah, this is still how we left it, huh? Let's work on this now. Really? You ghosts are really testing my patience. As soon as I say that, the wind starts blowing. Wow. Who's not agreeing with my YouTube videos? Or with anything else I did? Huh? Get over it. You're a spirit. Answers from the wind. We're just chilling here under the olive tree. Yeah, sweetie. So at least we got this side filled up. So yeah, the advice was bit by bit, like build it up. So I did this in 2 times, just like the rest actually. I'll keep that in mind for doing this side tomorrow. Yeah, sorry, we didn't get to that, no. Somewhat of a life also outside. Finish this off. And the other side is also finished. And the front is also as good as finished, except one hole there in the corner. So I didn't want to make a whole new bucket of cement. I'll fill that up tomorrow. Yeah, probably we're gonna do that tomorrow. So yeah, and the battens were also painted, but I didn't get to putting any on the roof yet. So in one of the last videos, oh yeah, somebody in the comments said the tiles break easily. This one tile that I spent 2 minutes 30 on yesterday, it just dropped like this. So I'm wondering how many tiles I'm gonna have to clean actually. But yeah, I hope to work on the battens also tomorrow. For the battens you saw in one of the other videos, I laid out the distance, like how far the battens should like come apart. And for that I'm gonna make like little templates. We also did this for this roof together with Bas half a year ago. And we're gonna make like 2 or 3 small templates, so I can easily put them on the roof in the right distance. I do need to lay them out again because I don't remember what was the distance. So you'll be seeing that tomorrow probably. So I would very much like to start with the battens tomorrow. Ah, Akira. Akira has also been working hard today. That's not really working well with the wind, eh? It's every time I want to start recording. What are you sensing? If you all like this video, like this video. If you like more of our videos, maybe take a subscription. Oh no, it's here. And see you on the next video. From a very shaky ghost town. Thank you for watching another video of the Portugal project. If you want to follow the Portugal project more closely, you can also add it on Facebook. Or add me on my personal account on Facebook or Instagram. See you next time at the Portugal project.